In this example we will begin the development of the practical projects of this course. We'll create the structural part of a wheelchair easily, so let's go. With the new Open Part document, we will first make visible the Weldments toolbar, which contains the metal structures features that we will use to design the wheelchair structure. Next, we will create some sketches, starting the first in the right plane. From the origin, we will begin to plot the sketch of the side profile of the wheelchair, follow up. Once this is done, we activate the tool for quoting, entering the values as shown. If necessary, adjust the geometries to correct any unwanted changes to the profile. We can also add geometric relationships to restrict geometries. With the sketch fully defined, we activate the tool shown and round four corners with a radius of 38.1 mm. Note: We confirmed and closed the sketch. We opened a new sketch, only now 3D. We click on that line and draw, in the direction shown, a line. Note through the reference triad the direction of the line. If necessary, press the Tab key to change the direction. We quota shown. As we know, the structural profile of a wheelchair is circular in shape. One way to model this is to add a circular profile outline at the tip of a line and use the swept boss/base feature. However, this feature only accepts one continuous path, that is, for this case we would have to add several resources to complete the extrusion by path. So, the most practical way to model in this case is to use the feature structural member, belonging to the metal structures. We activate the feature and set the desired parameters, in this case ISO, pipe, which is the circular format, and 21.3 by 2.3 for the measurements. Under Groups, just click on the lines to add the profile. See that while we click on the lines, some settings can be performed. Added a continuous group, we click on New Group and select a few more lines. Once we've added all the necessary groups, just confirm. Note the treatments that have been applied, and see that in this case it was not as expected, so let's edit. See that by hovering the mouse over the points, the cursor changes, indicating that it is possible to click on them. We click on this corner and make the change shown to treat this corner differently. Simply modify the option Trim Order to get the desired result. We conclude here this example, where we create the structure on one side of the wheelchair. In the next example we will see how to edit and finish the structure.